Grade A cells provide dependable quality, consistent output, and reliable performance throughout every ride. Depending on the model, the battery uses high-quality 18650 or 21700 lithium-ion cells. Choose either a 36V or 48V configuration to match your e-bike system. 5 capacity options, from 13 to 20 amp-hours, support different ranges and riding demands. Maximum continuous discharge is 20 or 30 amps, depending on the selected battery model. With proper use and charging, the battery is designed for at least 1000 cycles. The complete battery pack weighs approximately 5 kilograms, balancing capacity with practical installation. Its IP65 sealed housing protects the battery against dust and everyday water splashes. The smart BMS provides multiple protection functions for safer, more stable battery operation. Customize your battery with XT60, XT90, Anderson, small bullet, or large bullet connectors, with more options available to match your specific application. Before shipment, every battery undergoes multiple inspections and performance tests to ensure consistent quality, stable output, and reliable operation. Aovolt can provide CE and MSDS, IEC 62133, RoHS, and UN 38.3 reports, supporting product compliance and safer global transportation.